Hi guys, welcome back. In this video we shall be talking about a very important thing, is that how can you improve your immune system. It is very important for us to know how can we improve our immune system, especially in this time for to combat with COVID pandemic. Okay, due to the sedentary lifestyle and there are multiple number of factors, the immune system of our body is reduced. That means our immune system is not working in the optimal level, rather it is working in suboptimal level. You have to understand this. Our immune system is not working in the optimal level, rather it is running on the suboptimal level. Okay, please do not expect to increase the immune system more than the optimal level. If you do so, you will have autoimmune disorders. This means your immune system is going to attack your own body if it is hyperactivity, if it is having hyperactivity. Okay, so you want your immune system to work in the optimal level, not more than the optimal level. You cannot do it. If you do it, you'll have disease, and that is autoimmune disease. And you know what are the complications, what are the list. The list can start from arthritis to SLE to and so on. Okay, so autoimmune disease will occur if immune system is working more than normal. But in this situation, in this time period, due to a sedentary lifestyle and all the modern things are going on, our immune system is working suboptimally. So what are the techniques that you can make sure that your immune system is working at the optimal level? If you can do that, you're good to go. You are the almost maximum things you can do is you have already achieved. Okay, you have received that saturation point. So I'm going to tell you some of the techniques, some of the tricks that you have to watch out, and you have to put in this in your diet and do some modification in order for your immune system to work in the most optimal level. Okay, number one is very important, is that adequate sleep. If you are not sleeping adequately, your immune system will be working suboptimally. Your WBC count will go down, your CD4 count will go down. Okay, you have to sleep for at least 6 to 7 hours per night. Okay, and this sleep has to be a good night's sleep and a sound sleep and uninterrupted sleep. Okay, it doesn't mean that you're sleeping for 2 hours then waking up again using some phone, again sleeping for 2 hours. No, very good night's sleep for at least 6 to 7 hours for an adult, uninterrupted, and a good night's sleep. Okay, this is one very important stuff. Second one is a very important, is to maintain a very good balanced diet. You have to include vegetables, you have to include your eggs, you have to include chicken, you have to include meat, you have to include rice, you have to include pulses, wheat, legumes, vegetable, fruits, you have to include your curd, you have to include your milk. These are all very nutritious stuff you have to include in your diet. Okay, because these things will give you multivitamins, will give you micronutrients, will give you minerals, will give you antioxidants, which are very necessary for immune system to work in the first place. Not just immune system, for entire normal functioning of your body and for prevention of many other diseases also. Okay, so you need to make sure that you're eating good amount of fruits, vegetables, all the healthy foods. Okay, along with this, you have to see that the vegetable that you're eating is having multiple colors. It should be red, green, maybe yellow, maybe purple, multiple colors of vegetable. You have to, like red radish, you have to include yellow bell pepper, you have to include your the peas, you have to include your carrot, you have to include your tomatoes, multiple colors of vegetable and local fruit. And try to stick for the foods that are seasonal foods. In that also you will be spending less amount of cash if you're buying your seasonal foods. Okay, this is two things that you have to watch out. Along with this, you have to manage your stress. This is very important. If you're having good amount of stress, your body is releasing a stress hormone. It's known as cortisol. Cortisol will increase your blood sugar level, will put you in a risk of developing type 2 diabetes mellitus. Okay, along with this, your entire immune system is not working optimally if you're having a lot of stress. So rather you have to manage your stress. It is not possible in today's age that you will be avoiding stress. You can manage your stress. So how can you manage your stress? Go for a walk, go to the gym, talk to your partner, talk to your friends, talk to your family members, get a pet, get a dog, get a cat. Okay, you can listen to your favorite song, go and watch a movie, go and do any kind of physical activity, do gardening, read a novel, anything that eases your mind. Do your meditation, do your yoga, do your physical exercises. that is going to make you happy, okay, so that your feel good hormones are also released and the cortisol level is reduced. Okay, that is how you can do it. Talk to your friends. This is very, very important. You should talk. You should have a very good social life. Even if it is seen in studies that if you are having very less social life, that means you don't interact with people. These people can be your friends, or people can be your family, or just random strangers also. If you don't interact, your cortisol levels are high, your feel good hormones are never released. Okay, you have to do it. So get socialized and manage your stress. This is very, very important. Along with this, you should drink a lot of water. It's just simple but very, very effective also. Okay, drinking good amount of water. Along this, medical research has shown that turmeric, ginger and garlic, these are very, very helpful. Turmeric, ginger and garlic, please include this in your diet. Okay, along with this, make sure that you're taking a multivitamin supplement. Okay, but it is always advised, taking any sort of medication or any sort of medical advice, we should always talk to your doctor. Okay, there can be some complications. So multivitamin, chances are very less that if you're taking a multivitamin once a day, or in 2 days you're taking one tablet, is not going to do any major harm. But still, you can go and consider and talk to your doctor. Okay, because this is very important, because sometimes it happens that we're not eating good amount of vegetable, or we are sticking to one certain kind of vegetable in which we are not getting the nutrition from variety of vegetables. Okay, so that is the reason multivitamin can kickstart it, or you can say it can somehow manage it. Okay, fill in the gaps. So remember, the vitamin is coming from your multivitamin, the vitamin is coming from your food, natural food, that is having more superiority. Okay, the body is able to absorb it much more better as compared to supplement. Okay, there's multivitamin tablet. But do not think that, okay, I'm not taking vegetable, I'll not take it from normal tablet also, I'll take it from only natural source. If you're not taking natural source, it's very, very important you take it from at least from your multivitamin pill. This is very, very important. Okay, along with this, you can give some more attention to vitamin C tablets. Okay, vitamin D, you can give some more attention to zinc, selenium, magnesium. These are very good minerals. Okay, along with this, if you go to the market, you can go and see, okay, what are the immune system boosting supplement, this, that and all. Is it going to work? Yes, it is going to work, but it's not going to work as what it has been advertised, or as like it has been shown. It has been exaggerated too much. Rather, you should focus on the things that I have told you. Okay, along with this, very good food, and avoid the toxin in the first place. Your immune system will be working very much better way. Okay, do not fall in this trap. Okay, out of this, one is very important. You have to stop your smoking and have to stop your alcohol. Okay, do not expect that, okay, you're smoking also and you'll take a multivitamin tablet, it will counteract. No, it cannot counteract. Okay, because the detrimental effects of smoking are too much as compared to the benefits effect of the multivitamin pill or the immune boosting pill. Okay, you have to understand this. Along with this, you have to cut down your normal table sugar, because if you have a lot of table sugar, your blood sugar will go up. Blood sugar will go up, slowly you will become overweight, then obese, and then you will develop diabetes mellitus. And once you are developing diabetes mellitus, and then you are bound to have so many other disease. Okay, so entire thing, if I summarize, you have to make sure that you are eating good food, good night's sleep. Along with this, you're managing your stress, you're not taking alcohol, you're taking multivitamin pills, you're giving good attention to macro and micronutrients. Okay, along with this, you're drinking good amount of water, and daily physical activity also is very, very important. You have to do some sort of physical activity, either walking, either running, either jogging, either swimming, either riding a cycle, or hitting the gym. Anything, you have to do it. Along with this, go and manage your stress. Very important, manage your stress. Okay, along with this, is always advised that in once a year, okay, at least once a year, you should go and do your routine medical checkup. Okay, you should go and do a routine medical checkup. If I give an example, what is a routine medical checkup? You should go and check your HbA1c. You should go and check out for diabetes mellitus. You should go and check your blood pressure. You should go and check your eyes, your intraocular pressure is normal or not, or your vision and the near distance are normal or not. Along with this, you should go and check your complete blood count. With this, you should check your thyroid function test. With this, you should go and see your liver function test. With this, you can go and see your kidney function test, and routine urine examination and routine stool examination. Okay, and if you are elderly, around 50 years or 40, 45, 50 years, you should go and start to do your prostate specific antigen test if you are a male. And if you're a female around 40 years, you should go and start every once a year. You should do your mammography. And once you hit around 50 years, you should be starting doing your pap smear. These are the basic things that you should do. Along with every yearly, you can go and do your ECG. Along with this, go and meet your doctor and tell him to auscultate your lungs and your heart sound in order to catch any disease in the early stage. Okay, that is how you can know that having any problems to your body or not. This is how you can know that your immune system will be working properly. Do not worry about boosting your immune system, rather focus on the natural ways in order to make sure that your immune system is working at optimal level. Along with this, you have to take some multivitamins, regular medical checkup, good night's sleep, and turmeric, ginger, garlic. And with this, regular exercises, stop your alcohol, stop your smoking, manage your stress, and balance healthy diet. If you do all these things, your immune system will be working in a much better way, and nothing extra has to be done from your side. Okay, like almost you have done the maximum things that you can do from your side. That's all for now, and thank you so much for listening to this video. I'll see you in the next video.